Acute angle closure glaucoma is one of those diagnoses where time matters. It is an ophthalmologic emergency, and it happens when the eye's normal fluid drainage suddenly becomes blocked. That trapped fluid causes intraocular pressure to climb fast, often rising above 40 to 50 millimeters of mercury. When pressure rises that high, the structures inside the eye do not have the luxury of waiting. People often describe severe pain in one eye, and that pain can spill into a headache. Vision becomes blurred, and many notice halos around lights. The whole experience can be physically overwhelming, with nausea and vomiting that make it feel like much more than just an eye problem. If you look at the eye, it is typically red. The pupil may sit in a mid-dilated position and fail to react normally to light. The cornea can swell, creating a hazy, cloudy appearance that makes the eye look as though someone has breathed on glass and it never cleared. Under the surface, the most common mechanism is something called a pupillary block. In simple terms, the iris is pushed forward in a way that closes the drainage angle, the space where fluid is meant to exit the eye. That is why certain people are more vulnerable. Risk factors include hyperopia, meaning farsightedness, as well as advancing age. Female sex is a risk factor in Caucasians. Ancestry also matters. People of Asian or Inuit descent carry higher risk. Diagnosis is confirmed with a combination of anatomy and numbers. Gonioscopy is used to examine the drainage angle, and in acute angle closure glaucoma, it shows a closed angle. Intraocular pressure is elevated, and the anterior chamber is shallow. Sometimes corneal edema makes it hard to see the internal structures clearly. In those situations, a B-scan ultrasound can help when the view is obscured. Management starts immediately, and the goal is straightforward: lower intraocular pressure quickly. Medical therapy uses pressure-lowering agents, typically including topical beta blockers such as timolol, alpha agonists such as brimonidine, and carbonic anhydrase inhibitors such as dorzolamide. Osmotic agents are also used, including intravenous mannitol or oral acetazolamide. These treatments are aimed at buying time and protecting the eye by bringing the pressure down as rapidly as possible. But the story does not end with the acute attack. Once the pressure is controlled, definitive treatment is performed to prevent recurrence. Laser peripheral iridotomy creates a small opening in the iris to equalize pressure and relieve the block. If corneal edema prevents laser, topical glycerin may be used to clear the view. When laser still cannot be done, a surgical iridectomy may be necessary. Acute angle closure glaucoma is, at its core, a mechanical problem with urgent consequences. Recognizing the pattern of symptoms, confirming the diagnosis, and moving quickly to lower pressure and then prevent recurrence can make the difference between recovery and permanent harm. Thank you for your attention. I'll see you next time.